In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your flight credit on Expedia. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Expedia website. You can do this by typing in the URL for your country. For instance, if you're in the Philippines, you would go to www.expedia.com.ph. Once there, you'll be greeted with the familiar Expedia homepage, showcasing a variety of travel services ranging from vacation homes and hotels to car rentals and flights. Next, you'll want to sign in to your account. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage for the Sign In button. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Input your registered email address and password, and make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. There's an option to recover it right there on the screen. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head back to the Expedia homepage if you're not already there. From the homepage, you need to navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by looking for a profile icon or your account name. It's usually positioned in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you can manage your personal information and, more importantly, access your flight credits. After you're in the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Credits. This is usually located in the billing or payment section of your account settings. Click on Credits to bring up a detailed list of all your available credits. Here, you can see the specifics of your flight credits, including the amount available and any applicable expiration dates. Using these credits for flight bookings is quite simple from this point. When you proceed to book a flight, ensure you choose the option to apply your credits at checkout. This is typically presented as a payment method or deduction option during the payment process. It's important to double-check that your credits have been applied before you confirm and finalize your booking to avoid unnecessary charges on your account. And that's how you use your flight credit on Expedia efficiently. Remember, the entire process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to manage your travel plans effortlessly. Implementing these steps should help you maximize your travel budget and ensure a smooth booking experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in making your next travel adventure more economical. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.